Hello， 大家好，我是 Katrina. Welcome back to Smart Mandarin Video Lesson. In this video, I'm going to give you new vocabulary and teach you how to use the vocabulary in Mandarin Chinese. And this is the very first episode of Easy Mandarin Vocabulary Training for Advanced Beginner. Let's get started. 上楼，上楼，上 is up, 楼 is floor. So to go upstairs is 上楼. The second word is 楼下，楼下. Okay, we see 楼 again, floor, and 下 is down. But 楼下 means downstairs, and it's a location, place word. Next one, 别的，别的。Others, 别的 other, 别的 other, 别的 Next one, 加班，加班，加 means to add or to plus, 班 means work literally, so 加班 means to work overtime. The next one is 楼上，楼上 means upstairs, upstairs. Okay, now I want to take out the word that we just mentioned. Okay, first is 楼下. 楼下 is lower down, which means downstairs. So 楼下 downstairs, and the opposite is 楼上 upstairs. 楼上 upstairs, 楼下 downstairs. And the other one is 上楼. So 上 is first, means up. 楼 is floor. Up floor means to go upstairs. 上楼 means to go upstairs. How about to go downstairs in Mandarin is 下楼. This is an action. 下楼. So now let's start making some sentences. 我要上楼. I want to go upstairs. 我要 I want. 上楼 means to go upstairs. So 我要上楼 I want to go upstairs. It's the action. I want to go downstairs is 我要下楼. 我要下楼. You will most likely hear this when you are in front of the elevator and you're pressing up and down. Maybe people ask you 上楼下楼. You want to go upstairs or you want to go downstairs. 上楼下楼. And then you might tell the person 上楼谢谢 or 我要上楼谢谢. I want to go upstairs, so maybe people will press up button for you. Okay, now let's talk about upstairs and downstairs, which is the place word. You can say 我在楼上. I'm upstairs. 我在楼上. 在 plus preposition word or place word, remember? So 我在楼上 I'm upstairs. 我在楼下 I'm downstairs. So this is what you tell people when people ask, hey, where are you? 你在哪里? And then you say, oh, 我在楼上 I'm upstairs. Or 我在楼下 I'm downstairs. Next one, we also learned 加班 to work overtime. This one is easy. You can say 我明天得加班. 我 I 明天 tomorrow 得 have to 加班 to work overtime. 我明天得加班. I have to work overtime tomorrow. The next one is 别的 other. So after 别的, you should put a noun like other material, other teacher, other friends, okay? So you can say 我没有别的中文老师，我只有一位中文老师。I'll say it again. 我没有别的中文老师，我只有一位中文老师。I'm speaking a little bit faster in Mandarin because this is advanced beginner level. So 我没有 I don't have 别的 other 中文老师 Chinese teacher. I don't have any other Chinese teacher. 我只有 I only have 一位 is the measure word for people. 一位中文老师. If you want, you can also make your own sentences and write it down under the comment below. I will make sure to check your sentence for you. If you want to see more of my video lessons, 200 plus video lesson, podcasts, and my ebook, you should join me on my Patreon and become my student. Or you can just purchase all of my courses on my Teachable platform. This course is in Advanced Beginners course. Alright, that's all for today. I'll put all the links down below. Until then, I will see you next time in my lesson. 谢谢你们，再见。